Hello and welcome to EazyRepair.com. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a new maintenance request. First, go to Create Request. Here you'll have the option to select a building and select a request type. Then you'll enter the room number or location description, and you'll enter the maintenance request details. There is the option to set the priority and assign it to a specific user. If you don't assign it to a specific user, it'll automatically follow your request routing. After that, click Submit, and you'll see that Building 4 had a broken window in room 505. That's it for this EazyRepair tutorial. Thanks again for your time. We hope to connect with you soon.